Want more control over your team's formation, tactics, and starting lineup in eFootball? Customizing your game plan can give you a huge advantage and help you win more matches. In this video, I'll show you how to do it on your Android device so you can build the perfect setup for your playstyle. Let's dive in. Launch eFootball on your device. Enter the main menu. Then tap My Team. Now tap Game Plan. After that, look for the position icon and tap it. Tap on any player position. Select a different player from your squad. You can drag and drop players to rearrange positions. Move players slightly to change their positioning. Then tap Manage Your Profile and tap Formation Change. Choose your preferred formation like 4-3-3, 4-2-1-3, etc. After that, tap Team Playstyle. Look for Team Playstyle. Choose styles like Possession Game, Quick Counter, or Long Ball. Each playstyle affects how your team behaves in matches. Your customized plan will be applied instantly. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more eFootball tips, tricks, and gameplay guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.